Hi everyone, I'm Rizwana. Welcome to our video. Today we are making one-stroke watercolor florals. It is so simple and elegant. I have given all the material details in our description box. Please do check it out. For creating a floral pattern, first of all, we want a rough idea about where to place our flower and leaf. For that, I'm using a stencil scale which I have bought it from local stationery store here. If you don't have a scale like this, don't worry. Just draw circle using coins, masking tape, or even bottle caps can do its work amazingly. Draw the circles in different sizes. Don't draw it too crowded and leave some gap in between the flowers so it will give a natural look to your flowers. I'm satisfied with this pattern, so here I am taking my watercolor. I'm using Bristol watercolor. You can use any watercolor as your choice. Here I am taking yellow, ochre and crimson for the flowers. For this type of flowers, we are using a round brush, and this brush is from ikea. The consistency of the watercolor should be not too thick, not too thin. I'm taking generous amount of yellow ochre in my brush. After that, I'm just dipping the tip of my brush in my crimson. So here we go. I am just touching the paper. That's it. Don't give so much pressure to your brush. As for the second flower, the step repeats. Take generous amount of yellow ochre and dip it in crimson. And that's it. Here is our second flower. Okay, finally we finished our all flowers. Then we are going to draw the leaves. For that, here I am taking yellow ochre and deep green. I am just mixing it. It will give a dirty green. I love dirty green when it comes to my floral paintings. It makes our florals more beautiful. After finishing the leaves, sprinkle some paint to the sides of the florals, not into the floral, in the sides of the florals like this. It will give a nice effect to our floral paintings and it looks amazing as you can see. And finally, we have to fill the center of the flower. For that, I am mixing crimson and little bit of deep green. It will give a dark purple color. And just fill the center like this. As for the finishing touch, I am just drawing some circles and dots here and there. It looks so beautiful, as you can see. So here is our finished artwork. Hope you all enjoy this process and thanks for watching. See you soon on another video. Bye bye.